So, the distinction between the two we have listed out in this matrix. You can go through it. Okay? So, I told you in de facto, full diplomatic relations cannot be established. It can be done so when the state is recognized de-jure. That is all, they are entering into a legal relationship with each other. Now, further, so far as legislative and other internal acts of the state recognized are concerned, there is hardly any difference between de facto and de-jure recognition. There is no distinction between de facto and de-jure recognition for the purpose of giving effect to the internal acts of the recognized authority. As far as the internal acts are concerned, there is ample authority for the proposition that there is no difference for the present purpose between a recognition of a state de facto as opposed to de-jure. For these reasons, I think it was established by the Foreign Office letter that National Government of Spain at the date of writ was a first. Now, this is one of the cases. Mendy was a ship. There is a case given in your notes. You can go through that case. What it is leading us to, I am just putting these three statements. What we are heading towards, what you are going to make out of these three. If at all there is difference between de facto and de jure, it is chiefly political rather than legal.